Okay, due to network problem, that the session had been discontinued. So now again, I will show the execution. Okay, so here, so when you modified the any program, first has to compile and run. After that, you have to execute. After modifying only if you executed, so it will not show the edited or modified result. So here, so I modified, that is equal, I added in the program. So after compiling, next I have to give the execution. So here I have to pass the values, that is I will pass 10. Okay, so see here, first command line argument is equal symbol is now coming. Okay, so when you modify the program, so that time you have to recompile it. Okay, so directly if you goes to the execution, so it will not show the modified the values or results. Okay, so this is the first program, this is the simple program of command line argument. Okay, so this is we only printing the first arguments. Suppose if you pass the argument second argument, so I will pass here 20. Okay, so enter. So it will print only one value because we are only printing first arcs of zeros. So that is zeroth positions. Okay, so if you want to print second value, so you use that is uh, same, and here we have to give the arcs of 1. So second first position, that is second position. So in all the arrays will start from 0 only. Okay, so that's why second element, that is first position. Okay, so arcs of 1 means second argument whatever you pass, that will be print. Okay, so I will save this program. Next I will recompile that program. Okay, so a java c example 1.java, that is compilation. Next execution, so that is Java example 1. So next here we have to pass two values, that is 0, two arguments. Okay, so I will pass one is 10 and one more I will pass BCA. So that, okay, so see here. So if you pass integer, float, double, string, characters, whatever you pass, that will be converted into in the string format only. Okay, so whatever values you passed, that should be that will be converted into string type and that will print it. So first argument, first command line argument is 10 and second that is BCA. Okay, so it will print. So if you are passing multiple values, okay, 5 to 6, then that time you have to use the for loop. Then you can print all the whatever any number of arguments you pass it in the command line, so that time it will print it. Okay, so here I will edit here. So for, so second program here is there. Okay, so I will edit this one. Okay, so here for int I equal to 0. So the here for whatever you studied in C language, the same for loop is there. This is the one type of looping statement, that is for. And first there is initialization, next condition. Okay, so next that is increment or decrement. So same syntax will be there. Okay, and this the main whatever the looping statement we have to write here. Okay, so for int I equal to 0, first that is the array will start from 0th position, so that's why I need I equal to 0. I is in I is less than arcs of length. See here, so whatever the whatever you number passed in the uh, arguments in the command line, so that number of I want. Okay, so if you pass the three values, so that time the length of this variable will be, this array type will be 3 only. Okay, if you pass the 5 means 5 arguments means, so the length of that argument will be the length of this arcs will be the 5 only. Okay, so that will count here and then that will be checked with the I. Okay, so each argument we are printing here. Okay, first argument, that is first loop will be executed. So system.println args of I means here 0th position of args, whatever you pass at first argument, so that will printed. Next I will be incremented, so next I equal to 1, so first position whatever that will be printed. Next whatever number of argument you pass it, so that number of arguments value will be printed. Okay, so this is the here I will save it one, I will save the program. Next I will recompile it. Say Java C come example one of Java. So enter. So I here I will pass the values argument. So here I will pass the 10 one argument. Second argument I will pass 20. Third I will pass BCA. Fourth I will pass Soshi. So when you give the space, see when you give the space means, so it treated as a one argument. 10 is the one argument, second argument 20, third is BCA, fourth is need to Soshi. Okay, and fifth is college. I will write. Okay, so here I passed the arguments, two are integer and three arguments are string type. Okay, so after entering, so see here, first one I passed that is 10. So second one 20 I passed, that also is printed. Next BC is also printed and social college. Okay, so this is the college whatever here. Okay, so first one 10, 20 BCA and social college. So whatever the number of argument you pass, so that will be printed. Okay, so first it will be take the length of argument. What is the length here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here the arcs of length will be 5. So I is less than 5 means that time condition will fails. So whatever the last argument, that will be printed. Okay. So this is all about command line argument. Okay. So tomorrow I will explain. I will tell the main first program, that is command line argument. Okay. So this is simple. So I will send these notes and you can execute in your laptop or PC. Okay, this is simple. So any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Can I end the session? So this is the simple two programs for command line arguments. So tomorrow we'll discuss the main first lab program that is based on command line argument based the first program that is wait the definition of first program I will tell. Write a Java program to find a factorial of a number reading input as a command line argument. Okay, so you have to find the factorial of a given number and whatever number, so that will be passed at the time of program execution, that is command line argument. Okay, so that is the first program we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, don't miss the tomorrow's class. So any doubt today's class? Any doubt? So try this simple program in your laptop or your PC today itself. Can I end the session? Can I end the session?
Yes, sir.
We'll meet tomorrow. Don't miss the class. Thanks for joining. Meet again tomorrow. Don't miss the classes. Thanks for joining the classes.